Today, I'm excited to share with you my best scalping strategy for crypto, which also works perfectly on other Forex indices and commodity pairs as well. One that can bring you daily profits and potentially double or even triple your account size in just a few weeks. Make sure to watch the video all the way through to fully understand this amazing technique. I'll be backtesting this strategy 100 times on Bitcoin USDT so you can see all the metrics behind it. Let's dive into the strategy setup. First, open tradingview.com and set the time frame to 5 minutes. This strategy can work on other time frames, but for this example, we'll use the 5-minute chart. Next, click on the Indicators tab. The first indicator is called 10 and 1 different moving averages. Open its settings and add the second MA, which is going to be the WMA with a length of 15. In the Style section, make the first MA thicker and color the second MA in yellow. For the second indicator, add the Trader EXO Macro Trend Scanner by BTC Charlie. Open its settings and in the Style section, disable the fast and slow moving averages. Leave the inputs on default. Finally, add the third indicator called STCA Better MACD by Cheyenne KM and keep its inputs on default. Fear not, in this video, which I already uploaded a while ago, I showed you how to bring more than just 2 indicators on TradingView's free plan. I'll drop it by the end of the video as a suggested box on your screen. With the setup ready, let's move on to the trading rules. For entering a short trade, the price action needs to be moving below the moving averages. The 50 WMA must be below the 200 EMA, and the price action needs to pull back into the 50 EMA without exceeding the 200 EMA. The Trader EXO indicator must issue a new sell signal, and the candlestick must be bearish. To confirm the entry, the STC indicator must be red, pointing downwards and breaking below the 20 level. Place a sell order at the close of the trigger candlestick and set the stop loss at the recent swing. Pay close attention to this money management strategy when the price action reaches your first target set at 1-to-1 risk reward. Move your stop loss to break even. If the price action reaches your second target set at 2-to-1 risk reward, move your stop loss to the first target. Continue this process, moving your stop loss to the previous target each time a new target is reached. For long trades, the price action needs to be above the moving averages, the 50 WMA must be above the 200 EMA, and the market needs to pull back into the 50 WMA without exceeding the 200 EMA. The Trader EXO indicator needs to print a new buy signal. The candlestick must close above the 50 WMA, and it needs to be bullish. The STC indicator must be green above the 80 level and pointing upwards. Set the stop loss at the recent swing and use the same money management strategy as for short positions. Elevate your trading game to new heights. Look no further than Funded Next, the ultimate platform for promising traders worldwide. Trade up to $300,000 on a Funded Next account and earning up to 95 the profits. Sounds enticing, right? But that's just the beginning. With Funded Next, you're not just trading. You're paving your way to success alongside a community of over 81,000 funded traders spanning across 195 countries. What sets funded next apart? Let me break it down for you. Say goodbye to trading under pressure. With Funded Next, you trade at your own pace with no deadlines hanging over your head. Enjoy the best trading conditions in the game. With Funded Next, you get raw spreads and the lowest commissions, ensuring every trade works in your favor. Guaranteed payouts. Worried about what you'll get? Don't pay. With our 24-hour payout guarantee, your earnings will hit your account within a day. And if we ever miss the mark, we'll top up your payout with an extra $1,000. Don't miss out on this opportunity by clicking the link above or down in the description to be part of a dynamic community shaping the future of trading. The world of trading is yours for the taking. Seize it with Funded Next. Now let's back and forward test it, and you are seeing just a part of it. In backtesting, the win ratio for this strategy was 71%, which is impressive for a 5-minute scalping strategy. And of course, by increasing the time frame, the winning ratio grows as well. After 100 trades, the account size increased by over 1,600%, averaging an 18% profit per day. However, expect lower numbers when trading live due to spreads and fees. Forward test this strategy with paper money first. The profit factor was 6.21 with 14 consecutive wins against 3 consecutive losses, a largest profit trade of 28%, and a maximal drawdown of 3.96%. Give this strategy a go, and I'm confident it will bring you great results. Oh, and I'm a man of my word, so here's the video I promised earlier. And also, if you're looking to boost your profits, don't miss out on the other suggested videos as well. Feel free to drop your questions or ideas to enhance this strategy even better down in the comments.